channel. Today I'll be making Gajar Halwa. It's carrot halwa. It's actually an Indian dish, Indian sweet. So basically the ingredient what you need for this is 3 cups of grated carrots, 1.5 cup of fresh milk, 15 pieces of cashew, 15 pieces of almond, 3 cardamom, 1/3 cup of sugar. You need 3 tablespoons of ghee. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up the cashew and the almond and make a powder from the cardamom, and I'll get back. Okay guys, so I chopped up the almond and the cashew and I powdered the 3 cardamom. So I have a pan heating with 3 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to go ahead and put in my carrot, grated carrot in here. I'm going to let this carrot cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. About 10 minutes cooking on medium heat, covered. I'm just going to stir it up and close the lid and cook it for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for 10 minutes. Open the lid, just give it a stir. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do, put my heat on high, and I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to cook it for another 8 to 10 minutes, but in between just stir it. Alright guys, so it's been cooking for 8 minutes on high heat. What I'm going to be doing is put the heat on medium. So I'm going to put the lid back on and I'm going to cook it for another 20 minutes on medium heat. So it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So give it a good stir in between. So it's been cooking for another 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the 1/3 cup of sugar. Just add the sugar. I normally prefer 1/3 cup because it's otherwise it will be too sweet. Okay, stir it in well and just let this cook for 20 minutes. In between that I'm going to be adding the nuts, cashew and the almond. Okay, so it's been cooking for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the cashew. Stir it up really good. So stir it up and let it cook for another 20 minutes on low heat. So it's been cooking for about 15 minutes now. I'm just going to open it up, stir it. Put the lid back on and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for a good 6 minutes now. So to this, I'm going to go ahead and add the cardamom powder. So just throw in my powder. Stir this up really good and just let it cook for another 8 minutes on medium heat. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for 8 minutes now. You can stir it up. It's done. So you can shut off the heat. So it's done. I plated it up and I just put some cashew and some almonds on top just for garnish. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.